So as I demonstrated earlier, this line and this line should have the same length. So this is 1.3019, and hopefully this one will be as well, 1.3019. Okay, so we're not quite finished yet. If you think about this object here, this one would have a line or an edge that is running behind this point, okay? And it goes all the way to the back side of the object. I know this because of this view. So let me go to my hidden layer. Okay, and that is pretty much the completed missing view, with the exception of the hole. So let me turn off the construction layer, and that's what the outside edge of the object looks like. Now, our hole will have the same dimensions in the front and the top view. So an easy way to do this, since I know from the given dimensions that from the back edge of the object the hole is 0.62 forward. So O enter, 0.62 enter. Let me just offset that. Okay, this is just a temporary line, and I want to copy all this. Okay, and then I want to grab it right here at the intersection and then snap it to the end point. Okay, and that's an easy way to transfer that hole, since you know they have the same dimensions. Alright, so let's go to our layout. I believe we're finished with the missing view. Let's go to the layout and get this taken care of. Okay, so I want to double click in my viewport and then center up my drawing. We'll find a scale that works. Let's try 1:1. Boy, that's close. That's a little cramped, but it's close enough. Okay, so I get it centered up, and let me lock my viewport just so it won't be so crammed. Let me make a couple of adjustments here. Now, if I want to, don't ever move the front view. If I want to move the top view, I can, but I can only move it up and down, okay, because these are all projected points. So if I move it out of the projection, then it's wrong, okay. So I just want to move it straight down, get a little closer together. Alright, I want to do the same thing with the right side view, but I can only move the right side view left and right. Okay, again, it's because the objects were projected to create the views. Alright, so I just want to move it a little closer. Okay, so that looks a little better. So there is our front, top, and right side view. Our line type scale looks a little big, so I'm in paper space right now. I just want to draw a line. Turn my object snap off. I just want to draw a line about the same length as one of my hidden lines, and that well, it's actually try that one more time. Oh, it was a quarter. I was thinking it was 0.125. The dashes on a hidden line should be approximately 1/8 of an inch. So let's change our line type scale to 0.5. Okay, and then you can see our hidden lines and center lines are displaying properly. Let me go in and change the drawing title, LH finger, and just double click and then click outside the drawing. I'm not sure what happened there. Our scale we decided on was full or 1:1. Not an exclamation point. I'll try that again. And then the date, and of course you want to put the drawn by. You can just use your initials, will be fine. And that is our completed layout, ready to submit. Just to let you know, missing views are very difficult concept, but it gets you started thinking in 3 dimensions, and we won't do a whole lot of this, but it is necessary, and we'll just do a few exercises, and that concludes this exercise and video.